Unleashing your language skills. Flashcards for idiomatic expressions. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to delve deep into the world of idiomatic expressions in English. As you know, idioms are an integral part of any language. They add color, depth, and character to our conversations. Our focus for today is how to effectively learn these idiomatic expressions using flashcards. Let's jump right in. Flashcards have been a beloved learning tool for centuries, and there's a good reason why. They are simple, versatile, and effective. For learning idiomatic expressions, they provide the benefit of repetition and engagement, which aids in memory retention. More importantly, you can carry them around and practice anytime, anywhere. Now, let's get down to creating your idiomatic expressions flashcards. You will need index cards or an online flashcard app, and a list of idioms to start with. On one side of the card, write down the idiom. For example, bite the bullet. On the other side, write down its meaning and an example sentence. In this case, to face a difficult or unpleasant situation with courage, and, even though she was scared, she decided to bite the bullet and give the presentation. To make your flashcards more effective, consider adding context and imagery. For the context, you could write down the situation where the idiom could be used. For the imagery, you could draw a small picture that represents the idiom. This will stimulate your visual memory, making the idiom easier to remember. Now that you have your flashcards, let's discuss how to use them effectively. 1. Regular review. Make it a habit to review your flashcards daily. This frequent repetition will help cement the idioms in your memory. 2. Active recall. Instead of just reading the cards, try to remember the meaning and usage of the idiom before flipping the card. This practice of active recall improves memory retention. 3. Spaced repetition. This learning technique involves increasing intervals of time between subsequent review of previously learned material. It's a great way to ensure you're focusing on the idioms you find most challenging. That's it for today, folks. Learning idiomatic expressions can seem daunting at first, but with these flashcards and strategies, you're well equipped to master them. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you engage with these idioms, the more natural they'll start to feel in your everyday conversations. Until next time, keep learning and growing, and enjoy your English language journey.